call them saris. But in Egypt, they do it a little differently. 6 yards of cloth is wrapped around a person and they call them mummies. Yeah? But we do it differently and we do it with a lot of style, class and everything. Simply because he would think that a sari is traditional. A sari will cover all your assets. A sari would make you look homely. But how times have changed. Now, if you ask your boyfriend or your husband what outfit you should wear, most of them will say a sari. You know why? Because they think that you will look like another version of Priyanka Chopra in Desi Girl. So ladies and gentlemen, a sari can be both traditional and trendy. Who knows this amalgamation the best in Chennai? The answer is right here. The brand Sri Palam Silks. A big round of applause for this fabulous brand that has given us so many beautiful sari collections. And this year is going to be even better. Because this year, as we launch the first look of 2016, we're going to bring to you a sneak peek of what you're going to see throughout the year, throughout 2016, in the house of Palam Silks. And what more? We are doing something that we've never done before. We are launching one collection every single month from January to December. So congratulations to Palam Silks for doing that. It is a Herculean task, a humongous feat, and they are up to it. Now, I had a sneak peek myself, and I can tell you that a lot of you are going to spend a lot in 2016.
Wish you all a very, very happy new year, and great to see you all again after a hiatus. Welcome to Palam's First Look 2016. So just yesterday I was asking Harish now, what do I tell the press about this event? What do I tell the guests this event is all about? So is this silk line? No. Are we launching any new concepts? No. We had launched 5 concepts for Diwali. So are we launching new collections for any special occasion? That we do every day, because we don't need a reason to have new collections at Palam. And our loyal customers, some of them are here, who have been with us since our inception in 2003. So you very well know we have new designs almost every day, and we can't wait for the annual Silk Line show to flaunt it. So to appease our greed for recognition, we showcase our new arrivals proudly, uploading them on our website every single day. 20 new arrivals every day. So every year we have our annual Silk Line show wherein we launch the upcoming trends in silk, Shah Rukh's Dilwale, but as you all know, the challenges we Chennaites had to face recently, the event in December had to be called off. And I'm a person who staunchly believes in living in the present. So it's another new year and I wish to meet you or to have a show. Why? I just needed an excuse to meet you all the connoisseurs of silk who have made me what I am today. Appreciation is what keeps an artist going, and to me a Patu sari is a piece of art, a fusion of the nuances in colors and designs, contemporary and traditional, and at Palam. Your love for silk is the foundation on which Palam has been built all through these years, well over a decade. And the joy with which we pick each sari, tweaking the designs and colors here and there, so that it looks a little shade better than what the weaver imagines. It's enhanced by the joy that we see in you at our stores. So, இப்படி பண்ணா சேலை இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் பெட்டரா வரும். Just enough to keep them going, and the artistic creations with great enthusiasm and zeal. This is an elevated state of joy and pride, which I wish to share with you all today through a display of my passion, Patu saris. Pongal. It's the peak season for weavers. After Pongal, they take nearly a month-long break from the joyful monotony of the rhythm of the looms. Now they are too busy to join us, but I will make sure your every single applause reaches their ears in their tiny hamlets. We enjoyed the process of putting together this collection. So thrilled each time Uma approves a sari we had selected. Now Uma is a stylist since our first Silk Line show. So each time she approves a sari, we would say, didn't I tell you, my choice is the one for this show. So what you see this time is the combined efforts of me and Palam's Next Gen. I call upon stage my daughters Sunita and Vinita, please. Great pride in introducing to you Palam's Next Gen. What you would see now is a display of the weaves woven to bring to life the dreams of these beautiful young minds. So more as their mentor than their mother, I'm delighted to make room for the next gen. Your genuine and loving feedback would help to mold them as much as it has helped me all through these years. So every time you give an appreciative smile or a nod of approval through this show is a little pat on their shoulder which would help them march forward with joy. So here we go, Palam's First Look 2016, a celebration of Pattu sarees.